In the aftermath of World War II, the world confronted an uncomfortable truth. Science, when misused, could become a tool of unimaginable cruelty. During the Nuremberg Trials, evidence revealed that Nazi physicians had conducted brutal, non consensual experiments on prisoners, causing suffering, permanent disability, and death. These horrors became the catalyst for establishing one of the most important documents in medical and research ethics, the Nuremberg Code. The Nuremberg Code, introduced in 1947, laid down 10 foundational principles designed to protect human subjects in research. These principles form the ethical backbone of modern clinical research and continue to influence global guidelines today. The code begins with its most powerful and essential rule: the voluntary consent of the human subject is absolutely essential. This means participants must be fully informed, free from coercion, and capable of making a decision on their own. Without this, research is not just unethical, it is illegal. Another key principle states that any experiment must yield results for the good of society, meaning research should aim to improve medical understanding or public health, never to cause harm or satisfy curiosity. The risks involved should never exceed the humanitarian importance of the problem being studied. The code also insists that experiments must be based on prior animal studies and sound scientific principles. This ensures that human subjects are not exposed to unnecessary dangers. Qualified professionals must conduct the research, and facilities must be adequately prepared to protect participants. Importantly, the Nuremberg Code emphasizes that participants must have the right to withdraw at any time without penalty or pressure. Similarly, researchers must be ready to stop an experiment if they believe continuing could result in injury, disability, or death. Although the code itself doesn't function as a law, its influence is undeniable. It shaped later guidelines such as the Declaration of Helsinki, Good Clinical Practice, GCP, and modern institutional ethics review systems. Today, every clinical trial, from drug development to vaccine research, reflects the values introduced in 1947. The legacy of the Nuremberg Code is clear. It transformed the way the world thinks about research. It shifted the focus from what science can do to what science should do. It teaches us that innovation must never come at the cost of human dignity. In essence, the Nuremberg Code stands as a reminder, a promise that human rights, compassion, and ethical responsibility will always guide the future of medicine and scientific discovery.